Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to make my favorite spring roll. This is inspired by the very popular dish in Indonesia called Lumpia Semarang. This is perfect as snack or first course. They are so light, crispy, and full of flavor. And the dip is so yummy. This is served with the pickled cucumber, spring onion, and small green chili. So let's make it. First, I'm going to make spring roll filling. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Here I have some chickens, prawns that I already chopped roughly, both of them, and bamboo shoot, glass noodle, garlic, shallot, carrot, white peppercorn, egg, dried shrimp, which is I soak it with water already, sweet soy sauce, vegetable oil, salt, and sugar. So first, I'm going to marinate the chicken and prawns. Add the sweet soy sauce, pinch of white peppercorn, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. So let's put it aside. And now, for the prawns, I add pinch of white peppercorn and tiny pinch of salt. Mix well. I put it aside. And for the egg, I add tiny pinch of salt and mix it too. And let's put it aside. And now I'm going to slice the carrots. Chop the shallot and garlic. Chop the garlic. So let's put it aside. Now let's chop the dried shrimp. Let's put it aside. Now everything is prepared, so let's cook them all. I start with to turn on the cooker. Medium heat. When the pan is ready, add the vegetable oil. Add the shallot. Cook it until it's soft. Add the garlic. Dried shrimp. Chicken. Keep stirring and cook the chicken until the chicken is cooked. Add the prawns. So now add the bamboo shoot, carrot, mix. Add the sweet soy sauce with half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and add white peppercorn. We cook it until all the liquid has evaporated. Now let's add the egg. And the last one, I add the noodle. I cut it a little bit. So once the noodle mix well already, and the lumpia fillings is ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat. We're going to put it in a bowl first to cool it down a little bit. So let's put it aside. So next, I'm going to make quick cucumber pickle or achar timun. So here I have a cucumber, but I'm going to use only half of it. I peel the skin, cut it into half, and remove the seed. And slice it. Cut the shallot into a quite big chunk. And small green chili. I put it aside first. And now I'm mixing the vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. And add into the cucumber. And mix well. So the achar is ready. Let's put it aside. So next, I'm going to prepare the dipping sauce for the spring roll. And here are all ingredients that I'm going to use later. Fresh water, garlic, sugar, salt, white peppercorn, tapioca starch, chicken bouillon powder, sweet soy sauce, salty soy sauce, and vegetable oil. So first, I start with chopping the garlics. Here I have 2 garlics. So finely chopped. So next, I'm going to turn on the cooker into the medium and add oil. Add the garlic. Fry it until the garlic slightly golden brown. So now add the fresh water. Along with salty soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, chicken bouillon powder, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. And add a pinch of white peppercorn. Mix well. And now I'm going to turn off the cooker first. And here I have some fresh water and tapioca starch. I'm going to mix them together. We're going to add this to thicker the sauce. I'm going to put the cooker again, medium heat, and mix well. You can see the consistency of the sauce is get thicker. We don't cook it too long, just until it's start boiling and we finish. So now it's done. Turn off the cooker and remove the sauce to the bowl. So let's put it aside. So now I'm going to roll the spring roll. First, let's mix the plain flour with some fresh water. Put it aside. Take one of the spring roll skin. Add 1.5 tablespoon of the filling and start roll it. And add the mixed flour and water just now to make the spring roll skin stick properly. Let's put it here. I finished roll it, so now let's fry it. Start with turn on the cooker. I put medium to high heat. Wait until the oil is ready. So now the oil is hot enough. Let's fry it. It's important to keep an eye so they not get burned. So it's ready. I finished fried it, so now let's plate it. First, I'm going to put the cucumber pickle into this glass. And the sauce. So here we are, fried spring roll. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and please subscribe if you like my videos, and don't forget to press the bell so you get notification every time I upload my new video. And thank you so much for your support. Matur suksma. Bye bye.